In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate an image in Filmora. So I have here a video that you can see, and I'd like to go ahead and add an image, then animate that image such that it can mimic some motions or it can move from one side to another. Doing that is actually easy. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing I'll need to do is to go ahead and select the image that I'd like to animate and then add it to my gallery like that. Now that the image is imported, I'll go ahead and add it to the timeline, and that is to the second timeline here. And now if I move the playhead back, you can see here's the image. So the first thing I need to do is to go ahead and reduce the size of this image, and I can just go ahead and click on the image, then drag it to the size that I wish. And here we go. This is my image. Now I'd like this image to go ahead and move up to the center. So to do that is quite simple. Head to the beginning, put the playhead at the beginning of this image, and make sure that you click on the image profile like that. Then head over to the edit button, which is this. And then from edit, go ahead and look for the position. This is the current position of this image. So I'll go ahead and add a keyframe at the beginning of the first position, like this, and you can see a keyframe has been added. And I'd like to go ahead and add another keyframe here, and for that I'll move the position of this image to that, like that. So that is the second keyframe. Now if I go ahead and play this video, you can see it will go ahead and animate up to that center, and then it will stop at that. Now I'd like to go ahead and add another keyframe to animate this image from the center to top here. To do that, just move the head to the position where you want to add the keyframe. For instance, I want to add it at here, so I'll go ahead and move it to where I want that keyframe to be added, and I want it to rest at that, and that is it. Now if I go ahead and play, now you can see how this image moves. Excellent. Now that image has been animated. Now if you want it to move faster, you can go ahead and change the position of these keyframes. So for instance, if I move this backward, you can see the movement from here to here will be much faster. Let's go ahead and play. Look at that, it is much faster, and then it moves on the top. So that's how you can animate your image in Filmora. You can go ahead and add several keyframes as you wish. You can also go ahead and increase the length of animation by dragging your image on the second timeline as you wish. So that's how you do it in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.